Press it.
Why?
Small.
Why? What else have you put on?
I'm telling you. TDM. Does that mean me and Josh are on team?
Right, looks things.
CJ.
Don't kill me.
What have you put on? Oh, have you put that? I know which one you put on. CJ, make sure you keep an eye on your arrows.
My arrows.
What?
Oh, I got squeezed.
Nice. Oh no! Did that count? Where's the bomb at?
Boom!
Oh, is that what you put on?
Yeah.
What?
Exploding bodies.
How did I not notice
After you
that?
die.
I do grab all the ledges.
Oh yeah, because that's fucking brilliant.
I do grab all the ledges. What?
What did you do?
I fell on the fucking massive spiky testicle. Oh god. Canker. What?
Oh, it's you, CJ. I'm so sorry.
What? I just stood there like, oh, you're fighting each other.
That popped, CJ. I didn't realise. I'm sorry.
Oops. Oh no!
Yes! No! Stood on a bramble, that fucking stinks.
Oh god.
I'm so sorry.
Leukemia's just fucking hit me in the face. Why did I fucking die?
What?
You stood on the brambles.
Oh, where did the bramble casting? Where's the fuck?
Yeah, you stood on brambles.
Yeah. Well, that was bad. Right, who's going to be on teams next?
Don't mind.
Oh, I killed Josh twice.
Siege is going for the third. Oh.
Rematch, or do you want us to change teams?
Change teams about. Plus, maybe add more. Add more.
Have more arrows.
No.
Start with loads of arrows. Or single arrow.
Right, so. Who's P4? Is that CJ?
Towerfall. Right. Who?
Ah, me and Josh.
Right, don't kill me.
What's this game called?
I'm sick of being killed.
Towerfall. My body blew up and killed you.
Yeah, cheers, mate. Nice one.
Well, my fucking fault.
Living up to family tradition, or what?
Stop the racist.
Racist. Terrorists die all.
Christ. Yes.
What?
Oh, Christ.
That's shit. There's no time in that, by the way, so. See you later.
Oh, good, because this might take a while. Can we change teams next time?
Maybe you should get good and start carrying.
Hey, I fucking won last time, mate.
Oh, nice, nice. That wasn't even mad. That was pretty beast.
Thank.
Yes!
Oh, puppy!
Unlock the bottom.
Josh was just waiting. I was like, alright, I'll let these battle. Wait, where am I?
Oh, what?
Uh-oh.
Yes! I saw you doing that fucking bomb. Like,
I thought that was going to get you as well. Oh, fuck.
You've really left it to me. Really?
what?
Yeah.
Alright.
I have faith.
What happened?
I have
Was it
faith
my
that
own
they will
arrow?
kill each other.
No, it's my own arrow.
And you killed me with your body.
Yeah.
What? I was wondering, I thought you were alive, but then you were.
Oh, buddy!
Yes! I was waiting for it!
Ah, don't like that body thing.
Can you...
It's for Josh. Yeah, mate. Hello,
Hey, I fucking killed CJ.
Sorry, mate. Oh. Made sure we didn't lose.
Oh no!
It's alright, Josh will fucking do it. Oh, alright. Well, it doesn't matter.
Josh.
Does anybody watch AC, boys? Josh is pretty fucking shit. Oh, is it now,
So
mate?
you know with most kills.
We had the best
Look at
KD.
CJ with all them achievements.
Late to the party road. Got come back on my queen.